Hello and welcome to another video. This is JDB31. In this video I'm going to show you how to make marshmallow treats. You will need the following ingredients: butter, marshmallows, and your favorite cereal. Preferably a cereal that will go well with marshmallows. For this video I chose Life cereal. Put a whole stick of butter and 5 ounces or half of a 10-ounce bag into a bowl. Then put the bowl into a microwave for about 30 seconds. If the marshmallows haven't melted, you can put it into the microwave again for about 20 seconds. If you're planning to use parchment paper and a pan, now would be a good time to set up that cooking equipment.
20 to 50 seconds later.
Take out your bowl of melted butter and marshmallow. You can stir it with a spatula and it should look like this. Add your desired cereal and mix it together. If you want to add more marshmallows to your marshmallow treat, then you can do so after you've mixed the cereal into the marshmallows. Put your bowl back into the microwave for another 30 to 50 seconds. You would have to take out your bowl and stir the mixture inside the bowl again. Pour the marshmallow treat onto your container and spread it evenly. If your marshmallow treats didn't spread evenly, then you can use a smaller container. Put the container with the marshmallow treats into the refrigerator for 30 minutes to an hour. This would allow your marshmallows to solidify. Then cut up your marshmallow treats and serve on a plate. I wrapped my marshmallow treats with aluminum foil. Now these aren't necessarily Rice Krispy treats. They're more like Life Krispy treats or Life Hack treats. What would you call this recipe? What type of cereal did you use? Please let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to be alerted when I post a new video. Thank you, and I hope to hear from you in the next video.